Hello and welcome back. In this class, we'll try to understand one of the very important concept in programming, which is variables. So you take any programming language, every programming language will have this concept of variables. Now, what is meant by variable? That first we will try to understand by using the definition. So what does the definition states? Variables are fundamental storage space in programming that allows a programmer to store and manipulate data throughout the program execution. So if a programmer, so those who write the programs, they use these variables to store and manipulate data. Okay, and the manipulation and storage of the data happens until the completion of the program execution. Okay, fundamentally this is a storage space. So this way, this way you may not be able to understand this. What we will do is we will try to understand this concept, this definition by using this program. So what does this program states? It states that here one of the concept which we haven't discussed it so far, which is this int. So this int is what we call it as a data type. This concept we haven't discussed it so far. We are going to discuss this concept in our later videos. But at this point of time, you just ignore this int. Okay. So now, as we have discussed in our previous video, where we had the intuition that there we have discussed 3 points. First point is program execution starts from main. So this program is having a main. So the program execution starts from main, and whatever that is present within the opening and closing curly braces of the main, only that part will get executed. And the third point is execution is done line by line. So first this line will get executed and next this line will get executed. Now coming to this program, what is happening in this program is, so whenever this first line of code will get executed, here we have declared a variable. So this is the name of a variable. Now with this variable, what happens? So always you need to understand with respect to memory. So while executing this line of code, what happens? That we need to understand. If you want to be an efficient programmer, or if you want to crack placement jobs, and if you want to do competitive coding, you have to have this kind of visualization. So what's happening while executing this line of code? While executing this line of code, a variable, a memory space, a storage space for this variable will get created on the memory. So this is what our memory is. Let's assume that the computer, your system has assigned a space for X, and the space, the location of that space is 8. Let's assume that. Okay. Now what is that, what is getting stored in this? Every time it has to be bits, right? Zeros and ones. And it is a byte space, means 8-bit space. Now, what is that which is getting stored in this location 8? It is the binary value of 5. What is the binary value of 5? It is 101, and the leading spaces, empty spaces, will be occupied by zeros. So the value of X is getting stored. So that's what the definition of variable states, right? So value of X is getting stored on the memory, and we are going to use this memory, the value in this memory location every time we are executing the program. Well, every time the program is running, we are going to use the variables, the values that are stored in the variables. Okay. Okay. Now the first line has been executed. Coming back to our second line, what's happening here? In this second line, we are adding 1 to the existing value of X. What is the existing value of X? Is 5. Now adding 1 to it, so it is going to be 5 plus 1, we are going to get a result of 6. Okay. So now the value after adding 5 plus 1, so after this addition is going to be 6, and that 6 has to be stored again onto the X. So this is what we call it as manipulation. The value that has been assigned to the variable can be manipulated in the process of executing the program. Okay. So, okay, now what is the new value of x that is getting manipulated? So this one will get manipulated with the new value which is 6. What is the binary value of 6? The binary value of 6 is 110. So this is manipulation. Okay, so that is the use of variables. It helps you memorize the things. Whatever the values that need to be done, upon which the operations are to be done, those values will be memorized, will be remembered by your program with the help of memory device. So that is the use of variables. So that's it for this video. This is a basic understanding of a variable. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching the complete video. You have come to this point means we are hoping that you are enjoying our content. You are enjoying our content and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. We will post at least one video every day. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And after watching every video, please like our content. Your likes will help us a lot in growing. And share the content to all your friends and family members. That will help us to grow and help you to grow. Thanks for watching.